Hello, everybody. So happy to be with you. Today is March 23rd, and today we were supposed to be in Spring-Ford High School doing a Unity Day, and that experience brings me so much joy. I just wanted to reach out to all my friends in education. Unity Day is about bringing children together, students together, staff together, and really doing a deep dig into building teams, building connection, building relationship, and having conversations that are courageous. Spring-Ford High School, you have led the way in this process. Thank you to our administrators, Pat and Doug. Thank you to our staff, particularly Susie and Alin. Thank you so much for your incredible coordination, your incredible passion and love for children. Thank you to all the staff who've ever participated in leading small group discussions, who've helped your students really dig deeply into issues like respect for self and others, a sense of responsibility for everything we think, say, feel, and do. And what's a healthy relationship look like? How do healthy men treat each other? How do healthy women treat each other? And thank you, above all, for the students. Thank you for your powerful voice. Thank you for your courageous conversation. Thank you for your leadership. This school year in particular, thank you, Bella. Thank you, John, for your leadership in the resiliency team, in the wellness work, in the social emotional work, in the mental health work. Thank you so much for deeply caring about your fellow students, about the staff, about the community you live in, and about everyone in Spring-Ford High School. The things we've traditionally done in Unity Day, allowing people to share and pair and dialogue. What does respect look like? What's it sound like? How does it feel? What's responsibility look like between teachers and students, students and students, everyone in administration? And how do I know what a healthy relationship looks like? How do I know what a healthy relationship feels like? How do I know who to trust? What are my trust actions? What are trust actions I look for in others so that we can connect? We can build relationships full of integrity. In this time of the coronavirus, we cannot meet personally for Unity Day, but we can enact Unity Day in every communication we have, online, through social media. We can enact Unity Day with our families and our friends and our loved ones. With our families in our own home, we can have discussions around respect and responsibility and relationships and trust and integrity. What do some of those words mean to all of us in our family? We can have that discussion at our dinner table tonight. And we can report back to our friends via social media, and we can ask our friends over social media those same questions. And in this time of incredible need for compassion and empathy, we can share our kindness. We can share our love. We can share our togetherness. And we can share building a community even when we cannot physically be together. I'm so proud of Spring-Ford School District. Thank you, Missy Paschke, for sharing a dream with me 10 years ago and bringing our deep caring and love for the whole child and social emotional learning to Spring-Ford. Thank you for every central office administrator and building level administrator who has allowed this to happen and invested in every single one of the children, young adults, and staff members in the district. It's been a privilege, an absolute privilege, to walk into your school district and your school buildings every day. And I'm looking forward to that privilege for me once again to join with you. Thank you.